I just thought I'd show you guys how I am going to add bullet holes to my flight test plane. I can't remember the name of it, but hey guys, welcome back to another video. Just thought I'd show you guys how I am going to customize my flight test MiG-3 with some bullet holes. I'm going to use an airbrush to add this effect. What I did here is I made a stencil, and I'm going to use my airbrush to apply some gray and then black paint to make the bullet hole effect. But this is my flight test MiG-3 that I did a while back. I just thought I'd make a quick video on how to add some customization to it. I might add some weathering. We'll have to see. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is the paint I'm using. Createx, it's the pearl silver. So gotta give it a good shake. So this is the one I'm going to use. Okay, so we have the first layer of paint going on right now. Just lightly dab it. And dab it from afar. Let that set. I'll go ahead and let that set for a while. I should have used white, but I don't have any white right now, so I'll just keep applying as I go. Stay tuned. So we'll apply the second coat. That's it. We'll let that dry, and then we're going to come back with black for the inside. Alright. And so this is the airbrush I'm using. It's I think it's just like a generic China made. It's Vivo Home airbrush, and it comes with a small tank with the compressor, so it's just something simple that I could customize my models. So here's the finished product with the stencil. We got a little bit of overspray, but I'm going to fix that with the other part of the stencil. So now I'm going to apply the black with this one right here. Now here's with the black in the middle. So now I'm going to try and fix the overspray. Bear in mind I'm a beginner airbrusher, so I'll get better over time. Alright guys, so there you have it. A few cool bullet holes. What I did, I went around it with the stencils from the tail with black, and I just added a little bit of weathering effect. I mean, it's not much, but just a little touch.